The formulas and data entries are not the only important things to focus on an Excel spreadsheet, but it is also crucial to make sure everything is spelled correctly. So the cool thing about Microsoft Excel is that it comes with several different ways to be sure the words on your page are not only spelled correctly, but also consist of proper grammar and context. So to know more about the process on how you can check the grammar and the spelling of your Excel spreadsheet, make sure to watch this video. The first thing to know is how to check your actual spelling once you have finished inputting your data. So to do this, click within a single cell, and at the top of the page, click the Review tab, then choose the option Spelling. By having started in only that single cell, Excel will check the entire worksheet, including your page headers, footers, graphics, and any comments. But if you click on one cell prior running the spell check, Excel will only check the spelling within those specific cells. But if you want to check spelling in Excel as you type, you can do so by enabling the AutoCorrect feature. You can do that by clicking the File tab, then choose Options on the left categories. After that, look for the Proofing category, click on AutoCorrect Options, and then enable all the AutoCorrect options that you prefer. Now that's how you can spell check your spreadsheet in the Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.